Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check a no caller ID number. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's jump right in now. The first thing you're going to do is head into your settings here, and we're just going to scroll down until we find phone and tap on that. Now that we're in here, we need to scroll down and you will see call blocking and identification. Tap on that and it says call identification. You want this to be turned on so that basically if the record of what business or who that is, the person who that is in either your Apple Call identification or AT&T or whatever carrier, it will show up there. So if those are both off, make sure to turn them on. Now if we go back, you will be able to see show my caller ID. You can always toggle this off and it will hide your caller ID, or basically who you are when you call someone. If you find that somebody called you and you're not sure who that is, that says maybe an unknown number, there are a couple things that you can dial. So if you just do a quick Google search, you can see there are two different things you can dial depending on which device you have and which carrier. One is *69 and the other one is *57. So go over to your keypad and type in *69 and hit call and see if this works. It should pop up with our previous call number directly on here. If that doesn't work, you can hit *57 and hit call and see if this one works. Depending on whether you have AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, it might change. But those are two different ways to basically thread through your career. What number just called you, even if it was unknown. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, and I'll catch you on the next one.